Good morning guys and welcome to Vlogmas day 6. Today we have a packed schedule, so first of all I need to get ready for my day, then I need to edit the San Francisco vlog because that one has to go up tonight, and then what else? I need to do laundry, I need to run to the post office because I received a few packages. I ordered a few things for Black Friday, like when the sales were going strong. I ordered a few things, I'm really excited about them, but I still have to pick them up because everything came in when I was in San Francisco. And then in the afternoon I'm gonna meet up with a friend of mine, and then we're gonna go to a Krampuslauf. If you watched my video, like my Vlogmas video on December 5th, you know what a Krampuslauf is. It's basically those creatures called Krampus running around, and I wanted to film them for you, so I decided to go there with a friend. So that's the schedule for today, and then tomorrow something else exciting is coming up. So keep tuned for that. It's like a mini trip within Austria. Let's see where we have day number 6. Oh, I think I see it. It's right up here. Okay, I kind of need both hands for this. Yep. Let's see what it is. I think it looks sort of like Santa Claus without a beard. I don't know. Do you guys have any idea what it could be? So I just walked into my kitchen and my roommate is the sweetest. Like, look at that. She got us some presents for St. Nicholas Day. Cute, isn't it? And it's Kinder chocolate. So it has like a surprise in there. It's like a Kinder surprise egg. Laundry is done. And my friend and I, we're gonna go to some place in Europe for New Year's Eve. And we just booked our flights and we got our confirmations. So I'm not using my employee discounts because I'm not risking not getting there. I only have a couple of days, so we just booked it as regular passengers. And we just booked it. I'm so excited, like really, really excited. I can't wait to go there. I leave on the 28th of December and I get back on the 1st of January. Yay! I'm just making some pasta. My pasta with pesto is done. I'm multitasking. I'm just flopping my hair. And let's get in my belly. I'm sort of like short of time. It's pretty good. I'm just about to Skype with one of my best friends in the US, with Kate. So let's ring her up. It's ringing. Hi.
Hey.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. It's so good to see you. I'm just running to the store to pick my package up. It's so cold, like the breath is freezing. It's so cold outside, like 20s in Fahrenheit and -5 in centigrade. Cold. So my package is here. I'm really, really, really excited. It says here, fragile. Handle with care. Isn't there this one Christmas movie where they say fragile or something? It's the one where they have Chinese, I think, for dinner. If you know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comments below. But let's open this up. So I have to say, this video is not sponsored or anything. I just went ahead and bought something when they had those Black Friday deals. So which way does it open? Let's just try this side. I don't do a lot of unboxings, but okay. So let's see what I have in here. Look what I got. I got a GoPro. So that's the GoPro Hero 8, and it had this bundle deal, and it was really cheap compared to the regular sales price. It's beautiful. And I wanted something that had like a good stabilizer inside, because my vlogging camera is good for like sit down videos and like when I'm walking slowly, but for like those scenic shots it's not the best. And what came with it now is a spare battery, a hat strap and quick clip. Now I don't really need this. I think I'm keeping it obviously, but I didn't really see the need for it at first. Maybe I'll need it, we'll see. Then it comes with a tripod, and it has an
SD card, like a memory card in there as well. And I have wanted this for a while, and the thing is, it's waterproof. And if you guys have watched my channel for a while, you know that I broke my last camera last January because it fell into the Gulf of Mexico and the salt water just ruined it. So I've been scared of it ever since, like that happening again. And I just wanted a camera that I can take to the beach with me that's not gonna get destroyed by like sand or salt water, and that has a great size so that I can like put it into my pocket or into my bag. And this just seemed like a really good deal, and I'm really excited. I wish I could try it out now because we're gonna go to the Krampuslauf, like this thing where those Krampuses, like Krampus in the movies, are running wild. But the battery's not charged and I don't want to open it up right now because I'm kind of like in a hurry. My friend is going to be here any minute now, and I'm not sure if we're going to take my car or if we're going to take his car. I don't know, probably his car because mine's parked a little bit away from here. I just need to put the scissors back. Yeah, so the Krampuslauf tonight is gonna be fun, I think. I hope none of the Krampuses is gonna hit me. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my video from the 5th of December, like Vlogmas Day 5. And you guys know what I'm talking about, like Austrian traditions. And oh, do you guys see how long my hair is getting? I just booked my appointment at the hairdressers together with a friend of mine for not next week, but a week after. So I'm gonna vlog that, I think. And for now, let's go to the Krampuslauf. I just got back home and the Krampuslauf was very fun. All of those creatures, they were like in the middle of everyone. Usually they are just in the street, but they were coming from like every side pretty much. I took a selfie, so I asked one of them if I could take a selfie with him. So now I have a Krampus selfie. I'm gonna post that obviously. Like it's probably gonna be like the thumbnail for this video. And apart from that, it was a lot of fun, but it was so cold. I was wearing those like thermo socks that are supposed to keep my feet warm, but they weren't really, because I should have worn winter boots. I didn't. Oops. And I just had a good time talking to my friend, and then we went out for some burgers. We went to this like American style diner. I think it's like the only American style diner in Salzburg, and the burgers were really good. I'm stuffed right now. I'm super excited to unpack my GoPro. Oh my gosh, I wanted it for a while, and I didn't think about ordering it at first because the sale was all good through Cyber Monday, I think. So I thought about it at first and then I didn't because I wasn't sure if I really needed it. And then I talked to my captain on my Tromsø turn that I was doing the other week. And the captain was like, oh my gosh, it's so good and you need it. He showed me some footage from his GoPro. I was like, okay, I think I'm gonna buy it. Yeah, oh well. That's what happens when you talk to the pilots too much and they tell you about awesome pictures they took from the flight deck with their GoPro, and then you find yourself buying a GoPro. I wanted a camera with good like stabilization, so I think it's gonna be good. And there's something else. I was just thinking about something. I don't remember right now. Maybe I'll think of it later. Oh, I just talked to my mom. I'm gonna help her bake some Christmas cookies next week, so I'm gonna vlog that for you guys. Maybe mom wants to be in the vlog. I'm not sure, we'll see. I think probably for like Christmas Eve, I can probably get my family to be in the vlog, but most of the time they're like, oh, I don't want to be on the vlog. They're just a little shy. We'll see. But yeah, today has been a really great day because I booked my flights for New Year's. I got to go to Krampuslauf. I hope the footage turned out well because I had to like hold my arm up like this basically because I'm short and there were so many people standing in a crowd and none of the Krampuses hit me. So that's a good thing, right? There were others who got hit, but the ones where we were at, they were pretty nice. So I don't think it even hurt. Like it was just like a small like touch from their rod or switch. And yeah, I don't think they really hurt anyone. So yeah, let's unpack this GoPro and then I'm gonna edit some more today, or maybe I'm gonna edit tomorrow morning. I don't know yet. I kind of want to call it an easy night and then just edit tomorrow. Maybe I'll do that and watch some TV and read a little bit. I've had a busy week. I've been a busy bee. Let's unbox this. Okay. Okay, it's in a plastic case. Wait. Where does this open up? Oh, it's down here, I think. There it is. It's pretty. Okay. How does it come off though? You like slide it off? I'm confused. Let's see what's in here first. Oh. Oh! There we go. Or not. Wait. Okay, I think there's some instructions in here somewhere. There's a bunch of like booklets. How to like use your GoPro. Then this has like glue or something here. There's a battery. Charger. Now the question is, how would I get this off? I'm just like twisting this out. I knew about that part. Just trying to get this piece out of there. So you can like fix it to stuff with that piece. I'll manage. Anyways, this is my GoPro. It's pretty. It's so small. Like look at that. Just the battery. Okay, so there's the charger right here. Battery goes in here, and then there is a slot for the SD card. I wonder, I think that goes in here like this. Yeah. Ta-da! Let's put this in. Wait, which way does it go in? Should we just try? Yeah, I think that's correct. Yeah. I'm excited, guys. Thank you so much for watching this Vlogmas Day 7 video. It's December 6th today, but still, this will be up on the 7th of December. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure that you hit that subscribe button below and also hit that bell icon, because otherwise YouTube is not going to notify you whenever I upload a new video. And it's Vlogmas, guys, so there will be tons of videos. I have so much stuff planned still. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys are excited too. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.